Your lesson essential question is, how do we solve problems by adding and subtracting length? So you are putting together some things that you've learned this year. One of those things is addition. We also have subtraction and measurement. Remember, length is how long something is. The book is 9 inches long and 6 inches wide. What is the distance around the front cover of the book? So we know that it's 6 inches wide on the top, meaning the bottom is also 6 inches. If this side is 9 inches, how long would this side be? This side would also be 9 inches. Now that we know all the sides, we can add them together because we're trying to find the total distance around the entire book. So we're adding 9 plus 9 plus 6 plus 6. I can use my doubles facts to help me solve this. I know that 9 plus 9 equals 18. I know that 6 plus 6 equals 12. You can add these together using place value, or you can break them apart. I know that I have 2 tens because my tens places each have ones. 1 10 plus 1 10 is 20. When I add my ones together, 8 plus 2, I get 10. So my tens plus my ones is 20 plus 10, which equals 30. So what is the distance around the book? 30 inches. Let's look at one more problem. How much longer is the teacher's arm than the child's arm? I see the information that I need in this chart. I see that the teacher's arm is 66 centimeters. I see that the child's arm is 47 centimeters. I know that I'm subtracting because I see the words, how much longer. That means I need to find the difference. Let's line up our place values. 66 minus 47. I can't do 6 minus 7, so I know that I need to go next door and borrow a 10. This 6 becomes 5 tens, and this 6 becomes 16 because I'm adding a 10 to it. 16 minus 9, or 7, equals 9. 5 minus 4 equals 1. So how much longer is the teacher's arm than the child's arm? 19 centimeters.